So we want to make sure patients mainly feel comfortable with where they're at. And that's the main thing. So technology-wise, everything's up to date to the latest things that we can possibly have here in the office, where we have same-day crowns, we do same-day bridge treatments, implant treatments. We even have a system set up where we can actually replace all the dentition, all the teeth within the oral cavity as well. We get to the patients comfortable to the fact that they believe in the work that we're doing and that they're comfortable and happy with the results that they get. CT scanning is a phenomenal kind of technology that's come out in the last decade or so. It's really kind of enhanced it where we're able to have it here in the office. The purpose of CT scan is so that we are able to see basically an X-ray in a three-dimensional outcome instead of a two-dimensional like we usually have on screens. And so that will tell us anatomically where everything is at within the mouth, that we are able to determine what kind of bone quality that the patient has, whether or not that the bone is sufficient enough to withstand the load of implants, or even pathology. Sometimes when we're working with patients, we find different pathological conditions in which they didn't even know they had, and then helps save their jaw or save their own teeth in certain areas and save them from certain infections that are happening within the jaw. As for the 3D modeling though, that's actually a fantastic technology. So instead of having to prepare a tooth to receive, for example, a crown, which is a tooth colored hat basically that goes over the tooth, we're able to prepare the tooth to receive this tooth colored hat, and then we're able to take a digital impression of this tooth, and we're able to actually then place the crown on that same day, instead of having to place a temporary crown, having to have the patient come back in 3 weeks after after a dental laboratory has fabricated the crown, so that we might be able to just get everything done the same day. Please give us a call here at this office. We have all the latest technologies and abilities to be able to treat anybody here in the office. We would love to see you. We're excited to see you, and we look forward to you visiting us.